In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to edit a PDF but found it difficult to work with in its original format, this method will help you turn it into an editable document using Google Drive. It's a simple process that can save you time and make your workflow much more efficient. To begin, open your Chrome browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Drive and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Google Drive link. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google account so you can access your files and tools. After signing in, the next step is to upload the PDF file you want to convert. Locate the file on your computer and upload it into your Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, find the file within your drive and double-click it to open it. When the PDF opens, look toward the top of the screen for the option that says Open with Google Docs. Click on this option to open the file in Google Docs. This step is important because it allows Google Docs to automatically convert the contents of the PDF into an editable format. Once the document is open in Google Docs, you'll be able to view and edit the content as needed. To proceed with saving it in a more flexible format, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, scroll down to Download. When you hover over it, you'll see several format options available. From these options, select Microsoft Word. This will download the converted document to your computer as a Word file, which you can open, edit, and share as needed. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically download to your default folder, or you may be asked to choose a location. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open both the original PDF and the converted file. This allows you to quickly compare them and confirm that the conversion was successful. And that's all there is to it. You've now converted a PDF into an editable document using Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.